In Profiler, users can view overall statistics of each corpus. After files have been opened in Wordless, click Generate Table or Generate All Tables to start. The statistics are grouped into 5 tables for better readability. When necessary, tokenizers, taggers, and other NLP utilities will be automatically applied to files according to their respective file settings. The results for each file are displayed in different columns of the table, and the combined results are displayed in the last column. The readability table lists different readability measures indicating the ease with which readers could understand the text. For more details about the readability measures supported by Wordless, please refer to section 4.4.1 of the official documentation. Note that some readability measures are language specific, so that they might not work well with texts in other languages. The counts table displays the counts of textual units at different levels, such as paragraphs, sentences, tokens, etc., of each file. The type token ratios table shows the type token ratio and its variants, such as the standardized type token ratio of each file. The length table calculates the mean, standard deviation, variance, median, and other common statistical measures of counts at different textual levels for each file. And a breakdown by length of the data in the counts table is displayed in the length breakdown table. Lastly, you can click Export All Cells or Export Selected Cells to export the whole table or only selected cells in the table to Excel workbooks or plain text CSV files.